Hello everyone. So today's topic is going to be on trade optimization. Okay, what is trade optimization? Let's say you've been trading for very long and you've been taking your trades. Your tracker is going to look like this. So this is a tracker where this only have cross pair. So mine will be based on major pair. We are opening a trade on cross pair. So basically this is one of the tracker journal which I'm going to share to you. So this is Monday and Tuesday trades. These are the potential trades you're going to look into. So we have type of trades, we have long short, time, session, currency, entry, SLTP, and before picture, weekly loss of pips, and then trade ID and etc. You can see this is duration, and this is a short summary of that trade, what happened with the win rate and strike rate, everything here. So once you have this tracker, how you want to know what's going to be profitable to you and what's not profitable to you? Because you see there is a lot of numbers, right? So what I tell to those who ever refer to me or my students, that's why I'm doing this video lah. So those who are reaching out to me, you've been trading very long and you have results, but you don't know how to optimize the results. That's what I'm going to do. For that, you need to track your tracker first. You need to have a tracker like this. You need to record your trades. Then only you know what are the trades you are taking. Okay, how are we going to optimize? I'm going to show you something. Okay, first we took all the trades, right? There's few things you need to do. So this is going to be a part one. So what I think you need to do is, first thing is you need to know, just put number one, what sessions are you trading? So you're going to look for sessions of trades. So this will be your first thing. So are you trading only on Asia, London and New York? So based on this, what you do is you need to criterize your trade based on timing. Asia, London, New York. You need to do a analysis. How many trades are you taking on during this time? So you need to put like a three things like this. Asia, let's say Asia, and then London, and then New York. So once you have like this, let's say you are taking total 100 trades, right? I'm just going to give a random match here for just for a brief idea so that you can do it on your own. Let's say your 30 trades is on Asia, and then you have 50 trades, and then 20 trades on New York. Based on this, you need to do win and lose. If let's say you don't have break even, so you're going to do that. So let's say your losing is 20, win is, let's say you win 20 and then you lose 20. And then here, let's say it's 40, then you lose only 10. And here, let's say you lose all. But when you look at overall 100 trades, you won't know which trades are you losing because the mindset goes like that. You trade for the day, you trade Asia, London, New York, and you find that day is profitable and that day is not losing. So what you need to do is you need to divide by time session first, Asia, London, New York. So this will be the first you need to do. Second is what you're going to do is if you're trading more than one or multiple pairs, you need to divide by the pairs you are trading. So whenever you trade by pairs, you need to know that are you trading one pair or few pairs. Let's say you are trading multiple pairs. I'm just going to lay out few, and then USD CAD. So let's say you trade multiple pairs, 4 to 6 pairs. So once you trade 4 to 6 pairs, what happened here is you need to know how many trades are you taking for each pair. Each pair number of trades. This is just introduction. This will be just like a part 1 video. In part 2, I'll show you how I did the overall picture so you know more in once. This one is up to you want to do. So the pairs you are trading. The same concept goes, you need to divide by win and lose. So once you know this, you need to get a ratio. How many percent are you winning and how many percent you are losing? So when you get the percentage, let's say for example USD CAD, your win rate is around 80% and your lose rate is 20%, and overall you're profitable by 50%. That means whatever you're taking is 50-50. So when you know it's 50-50 profitable, you know that it's not so good to trade USD CAD. You can ignore that pair or you can still keep it. Let's say for NZD you have like around 75% win rate and then 25% lose, but due to risk to reward is good for NZD USD, and your profitable is around 70%. You win more by 70%. So that means NZD USD is a good pair for you to trade and you can still trade. So once you know the pair you're trading, next you want to go by days. What I mean is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Go by every day and Friday. So how are we going to do this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? For the last 52 weeks, that means 1 year, or let's say 6 months, how many trades have you taken on Monday alone? How many trades you taken on Tuesday alone? So what you want to do is divide by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So when you do this, you will know. On Monday, let's say you average around 50 trades lah. This is I'm going, let's say 100 lah. You're taking 2 trades per day for 52 weeks because there's 52 weeks in a year. So 52 weeks. So you take 100 trades. Let's say 80 trades lose, only 20 trades win. That means Monday is a very bad day for you. So you can totally avoid this day because it's going to give you a lot of losses only. It's not going to give you win. Let's say in another hand, Wednesday you take 100 trades and your win, so this is lose and this is win rate. And then here you're losing only around 15 trades, but you win around 85. So you know Wednesday is a very high win rate. So you don't want to skip Wednesday, but you can skip Monday. Because overall, if you look at the ratio, your Monday is pulling out your losses and your Wednesday is giving you the gain. So if you stop Monday, you automatically improve your gain. You're not going to reduce your gain. So this is three. I mean, the third type, how you're going to do. The fourth one is going to be a type of trades. What do you mean by, let's say, for me, I have like around 6 methods. Just going to give you example, 6 methods. Let's say P line, full session confirmation, half session, monthly confirmation, weekly confirmation, and then we have week high, and then week low, session high, session low. So these are some of the trades I'm going to put it here. So once you have this, what you're going to do, and the news as well. Okay. So all these methods, right? You want to know what methods works best for you. Let's say, for example, my P line trades, I'm having like again 50 trades win and then 50 trades lose. So this is 50-50, I'm winning 50-50, I'm losing. Let's say half session confirmation, I'm winning 80 and then I'm losing 20. So this is a good trade. So this is a good one I can keep. So I'll just highlight green. So I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this. And then I'm going to ignore this. Is like yellow. I want to take or might not. Let's say for this is around 70, 30. So this also seems okay. Let's say my week and month is like around having a just only 10% win and 90% lose. So that means this you want to avoid. So what you do is whenever you have these method confirmations coming up, you will totally avoid these types of trade because you know it's losing trades. So what I did here is just the 4-1. What session are you trading? What pair are you trading? In the days you're trading and type of trades. Once you have this, you're going to go for the time. This one you need more. I know I talk about session, right? This is another session, you know. In every session, there's few hours. For example, London Open, let's say 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. We're going to divide by lots, 2 hours, 2 hours. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then 6 p.m. 3 to 5 is until 5 finish. Then after 5, we consider 6. Just going to give it a rough range until a New York Open. So 8 p.m. So and then I'm going to put like 8 p.m. up until 10 p.m. This is New York. And then 10 until 12. I just keep there 1 hour. So let's say this is London. And this is London as well. London first half, London second half. So first, this is London second. And this is New York. And New York second. So once you have something like this, let's say the trades you take fall on this category is good for you. Then you put it green. Let's say this category is giving you only loss. You're going to avoid that trade. So what are we doing here again? We are categorizing each trade you are taking throughout few months or few weeks, and then you're doing optimization. What are you doing here? Optimization. You need to do this every 3 months, 4 months, up to you every 6 months. Once you do this kind of optimization, you'll know what session are you trading, what session you want to avoid. Let's say Asia is very bad, you'll avoid Asia. You'll only focus London, New York. So you know London, New York is a good trade for you. So once you know London, New York, let's say only GU is profitable for me, and NZD USD is possible to me. And then let's say gold and USD CAD is a bit yellowish. It's not so that. And then this is giving me loss. So what I'll do here, I'll avoid AUD USD. I'll just take GU and U. And then this I might think whether I want to take or not. And I shrink my time during 3 times, I only go 2. Once I get these 2 times, rather than trading all the times, I know Monday is bad, so I'll avoid Monday. I know all these 4 is good, so I'll go with all these 4. And let's say I know this is bad, and let's say this is like a bit plus minus. So you know few methods, you avoid this, then you avoid this. You only got left with 4 methods you're going to take. The others you can avoid. Once you go to London time, you know 3 to 5 is profitable. So you only will focus 3 to 5. And then you focus only 8 to 10. Just assume. And this is going to be a loss for you as well. This is just a brief things I'm teaching you. I'm just sharing a brief on how to avoid the numbers of trades you're taking and losing trades you need to avoid. So once you have what session are you trading, these 2 you're going to focus. In these 2, you're going to profitable by 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you only trade that 2 hour slot based on your own time, based on your own setup. How many trades you have taken, not mine, Everybody here have different timetable, have different time schedule, have different mindset, have different visibility of seeing the chart. Even though it's ABC, you're not going to see ABC as what I see ABC. So that's why you need to have your own tracker. You need to do all these on your own. And then once you have this, your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, some people, they might be very profitable on Friday, or they might be very profitable on Monday. Or some, they might be profitable on Asia because they go to work, they will price everything and they only take 2 to 3 trades, limit orders, not even market execution. So they are profitable. So they just keep that. I even have people who just only do Asia. A student, they only trade Asia session, and London and New York, they don't trade because they are busy. So that's why we go for more methods. So we think from there which method works best. Once you know only 2 methods are working, you don't need to crack your head, do for all the methods. And then is a session. And then there's another thing also you can do. You can focus on buy and sell. See what is very profitable for you. Either it's buy trade or sell trade. So you can do more, that's 8, 9, I can go up and tell, but I'm going to do it as more than 10 minutes. So I'm just going to go with buy and sell. You focus what is very profitable for you. Either it's buy or sell trades. And then let me go another one just to give you your risk to reward. RR. Risk to reward. So your risk to reward, what you're going to do here is, say your risk to reward, you are taking trades 1 to 2, and then you're taking 1 to 3, say you're taking 1 to 4, or let's say you are 1 to 5. From here, out of how many trades you're winning and you're losing, for 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Let's say you might be losing 1 to 5 a lot. Say 90% you're losing only 10%. So you don't want to avoid. Let's say you're 1 to 3, you're winning, let's say you're winning around 60% and you're losing 40%. Still, this is good ratio to do. Rather than this, you're losing all 9 trades, you're losing, only win one, you're winning. So you want to avoid this and you want to focus only 1 to 3 risk to reward. So this is risk to reward ratio which you're going to focus. So these are just few things you want to look into. I know this is a bit in details, but I'll show you the trackers how you want to do it in detail with 100 trades. So if you want that, just comment that below. If you want part 2, then we'll do more, or you just message me personally. If you want part 2, bro, it's good. So I need to get the feedback, what you're thinking and what tracker are you having. So if you've been doing that, and I'll do a version of Tamil video as well for this, so that those who don't understand English, you can watch that as well. Thank you guys. And do let me know what you like to see and what you want to see in the channel. So we'll skip to that. Thank you and cheers.